ऐसे जो हाथ कैच कर रहे जिससे वो नीचे ऐसे ऐसे
I can't do this. I'm bad at TikTok. You know that the followers.
इस वाले हाथ से आप कैच कर रहे नीचे. Yes.
Miracle, miracle.
Took my heart, took my heart, took my heart.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, happy Valentine's Day to all the people who are in love, to all the people who are out of love, to all the people who are searching for love, and to all the people who wants to be loved. So today we are going to make a छोटू सा cake Valentine's Day के लिए, which is by Nestle Milkmaid chocolate dessert kit आता है ऐसा, which has so many things like condensed milk and cocoa powder and everything. First of all ये वीडियो स्पॉन्सर्ड नहीं है, काश होती. प्लस इसके साथ ये रेसिपी बुक आती है, which you can see इसमें लड्डूज हैं, ब्राउनीज हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. We are going to make the brownies heart shape वाली. Let's get started.
Sorry.
Now just beat it till death. The video and found it helpful, and you can buy the kit kahin se bhi, you will find it anywhere, and it's super easy to make as you can see. So guys, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.